Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tabitha Marie and today we are doing a clean with me in my laundry room. It's not horrible, but guys, it is very cluttered and that's one of my biggest pet peeves, clutter. So here is kind of the before situation, what it's looking like. Just a bunch of stuff everywhere, and I'm gonna declutter and organize and scrub and clean. So first I'm just getting the laundry together that is already clean, and then I'm actually gonna go ahead and load the laundry using my absolute favorite laundry detergent, the Arm & Hammer with hydrogen peroxide or OxyClean. I could be wrong, but there it is. I love the scent. I love how clean it gets your clothes. It removes stains and odors so well. And I'm just showing you my trick on washing delicates. I do this with my bras or silk shirts or anything that I want to keep nice. But that dress has a lot of glitter and I'm just afraid it's going to get everywhere. So I put it in the pillowcase. You can knot it if you want, but it does pretty good about staying in there. So I'm just loading that washer. Girth old. It's old, but it's still good, honey. She's still good to us. Loading it. Gonna wash. And then I'm just going to start pulling everything down from the top shelf. Cleaning, putting things into baskets. So I'm just going to let the video play for a while so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so I took everything off of the shelf and then I'm just kind of organizing things, stacking them, trying to see which way it will look best. I picked up these two small baskets at the Dollar Tree. They were only $1 each, and I'm just going to use them to hang on to some of these smaller pieces of things that I want to keep. And I'm going to go through my hangers because I have an abundance of hangers, so I'm going to get rid of some of the ones that we no longer use, and I keep hangers in the laundry room to hang up some of our more delicate pieces that are not dryer safe. So again, I'm just stacking everything up, getting the look and vibe that I want as far as organization goes. Alright, so after I have dusted, I'm just going to take an old towel that I cut into like a cleaning cloth. And in this bottle, I have 4 parts water, 1 part dish soap, and 1 part laundry detergent. And I just use like a tablespoon of each. And this stuff cleans so well. When you first mix it, make sure you use hot water. So 3 parts or 4 parts water, the majority of it needs to be water. And then you want to put in your laundry detergent of choice and some dish soap, and it just really helps you clean without having to re-wet your rag. So you see all the dust and lint and dirt that's building up. So I just want to wipe everything off. Make sure you dust before you wipe down though, or you'll just be like redoing the work double time. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this really quick clean with me. Here's the finished product. Everything looks all nice and clean, which I love. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Leave me some comments below if you enjoy videos like this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!